Is that leak you have a quick fix or a full replacement? If you've ever looked up and wondered, is this gonna cost a lot of money or is this just a 10, 15 minute, $100 repair? It's a great question and you're in the right spot. I'm Jeff with North Star Roofing. Today we're gonna break down in a few minutes what to look for and what we look for when we're up there to see if you need a repair or if you need a full replacement. What are the signs your roof is failing? Well, there's a couple clear things. Number one, you've got shingles that are cracked, shingles that are curled up, shingles that are broken, falling apart up there. Two is soft spots on the deck up there, warping. Another sign would be if you're getting up there cleaning your gutters and you see granules all over the place, filling up the gutters, that's a big sign. Leaks, stains on the inside, moss or algae growth, especially in shady spots. If you're seeing any of these signs and it's a large area, that might be a bad sign that the full roof needs to be replaced. But if it's a small concentrated area, you might be okay with just a repair. What counts as minor damage that can be repaired? So there's a few things like cracked shingle, one blown off shingle, some cracked flashing, a nail that popped up, or a little extra hole in the roof that could be repaired in a day pretty easy, or only a couple $100s probably. But please remember that little issues left alone can become big issues very quick. So what is the cost of repair versus replacement? Well, a quick and easy repair could cost from $100 to $1,000 depending on what it is. And a full roof replacement can cost anywhere from $8,000 to $30,000, depending on the size, the steepness, the height of the building, and the complexity and the warranty level of what you want. So repairs are cheaper up front, but in the long run, if you have an older aging roof that has signs of wear and tear that is starting to fail, it might be a better option to do the full replacement today. The cost of roofing is going up every single quarter and it's never gonna be less expensive than today. You're just kicking the can down the road and spending a ton of money on repairs when you could just solve the problem fully today. So what does a roofer look for when we're doing an inspection on a roof? A couple of things. We're looking at the shingles themselves to make sure there's no glaring holes or nail pops or high nails or low nails from the last roofer that did it. We're checking the flashing around the chimneys. We're checking the flashing around the roof to wall situations and make sure there's under ice and water shield underneath there. The roof's deck strength from the attic. We're checking the ventilation while we're in the attic. We're checking to make sure that there's no signs of water intrusion so that we're not doing a repair on one area and there's a big leak happening in another part of the area that they just haven't seen yet. A thorough inspection takes time and thoroughness. A good roofer is not gonna just look at it from the ground and say, oh, everything looks good. We're gonna get up there and we're gonna look at every single inch of that roof, and we're also gonna get in your attic and find out if you have any underlying issues that haven't been addressed yet. Here's the bottom line. If your roof is young and you're only seeing an isolated issue, then a repair is probably possible and the best option. If your roof is aging out, it's getting older, and you're seeing constant widespread issues, then it's probably time for a replacement. Still unsure? Get a professional inspection done by a licensed roofer. Many of them, including us, offer them for free. So don't wait. If you're in our area, call us today. We'd love to come out, take a look at your roof in your attic, see if there's any underlying issues, and give you a clean bill of health on your roof, or we could talk about a replacement. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe if you like this type of content. We'd really appreciate it.